Hey, it's Dr. Mo here with another video from Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We have Ash. Ash is really excited to be here. Ash
He's the man.
he came from Facebook and he's been watching me for a while now, right?
Yeah.
And he's been saying, when should I want to come in, what should I do? And finally he came in here. So now we're going to go ahead and we checked him. There was upper back, mid back, and lower back tightness, especially in the mid area. He's been having it for 3 years on and off. He's been having this little area that he wants me to treat, and it's pretty locked up. So we just did muscle stem. Now we're gonna go ahead and treat him and then go from there. All right, you ready?
I'm excited.
All right, let's go face down. All right, so one thing we noticed is his hips are off. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. There's the same thing. So right in here is where all his tightness is at. And he bends over at work a lot and kind of twists. So here we go. Deep breath, Ash. All the way out. Beautiful. Nice.
Oh, wow.
Nice. That was awesome.
Amazing.
How was that? Was that okay?
That is amazing.
Yeah, that moved. Let's have this side up for me, Ash. Facing this way. The great thing about Ash, he's been watching all the videos, so he's like, I want to do this, this, and that. He wants to do all the moves, he says. Straight this. Bring this forward for me, bud. Deep breath for me, bud.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that moved. Same thing, other side for me. So probably all these years it never has moved, so it's finally moving.
Yeah, it's finally moving.
Straight this for me, bud. Straight this. This forward like this. Deep breath, bud. One more. Good.
Wow.
Let's go face up for me. Now this is the one that's gonna, because this is tight as well.
I promise you it's not the plastic, it's on my back.
Ready, bud?
Yeah.
There we go.
Wow.
Ooh, that was a deep one. Man, look at your ears. Oh, the red just
The
moved
blood
up.
is rushing.
That's awesome. So with Ash, we're gonna go ahead and do muscles, kind of soft tissue work on him. And then after that, he's done. But yeah, so if you're watching for 5 months and you're a Facebook follower, come on in. We could help you. All right?
Definitely do it. 2 thumbs up.